Hello, Santa baby, Santa helper. Hello, Celine. You look so lovely in the Santa suit. Yes, you look so lovely. Baby girl, you will be home for Christmas, okay? Get ready. Wow. Hey, is this Santa flying? Wow. Well, little Celine, you're so lucky. I'm sure you've been a very nice girl all the year round, and you will get the best Christmas present. And for you, little one, there will be a present, don't worry. And for you, wow. Baby girl, Merry Christmas, little Celine. Merry Christmas, baby. Okay. Hug your mama for me. I will always love you, always, till forever. Ho, 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 Celine. Merry Christmas, baby. I love you.